I'm here. This is a continue video for the. Oh, look at the frogs here. Yeah, this is the continue, guys, for my video earlier. And I mean, this is zoo, small zoo. Yeah, let's go. Here you're gonna see a lot of fish here. This one. Wow. It's nice. So here we have a fish here and also here. It's all, I don't know what's the name of this fish. But, and here the snake. Yeah, I don't like snake, guys. But I need to. This is a Burmese python, guys. So you have a small and you have very big. So this is a small. I don't like. I don't like to see it. I'm so scared. And this is the big, guys. The big. It look like they're going to eat person. I don't like to see. Oh, so you gotta put the different. Oh, I don't like to see it. And this is the bayawak. We call this one bayawak, guys. But I think this is lizard. Did you see it? Okay, here. And also, guys, we have like empty swimming pool. I think that is the old swimming pool, but I don't know why we don't have water now. So proceed. Oh, this is. I told you that you have a chicken, a big chicken, and also my boyfriend, guys. I'm gonna show you my boyfriend. Sorry, met my boyfriend. Hi, how are you? Wow, you're so early. You're so early eating, huh? And all. What's your ulam? Hi, your food, guys. It's a papaya. What? You have fruit? This is the two. That one and that. Hello. Ano na siya ko? And this one also. Hi. Kaon siya. Bukaon din nga. Hello. Hi. Ah. Hi, boyfriend. How are you, boyfriend? Oh, this is orangutan. And also September month. How are you, September month? Why are you always eating? Oy, orangutan. Orangutan. You always tampo me, huh? So, this is here mini zoo, guys. So, thank you for watching.